All right, so in order to work the first one, this is the first one on the spot check. We're going to deal with the left-hand side first. We're going to distribute it. We're going to get 3 plus 10 minus 15x plus 4x is equal to negative 3, 5x minus 4. Now, you'll notice I don't distribute the right-hand side yet. I wait to do it kind of in turn. Okay? Now, the next thing we have to do is combine like terms. So we're looking for like terms. Where are like terms? Well, this one and this one are like terms. Okay? As well as this one and this one. So, 13 minus 11x equals negative 3, 5x minus 4. So now we have 13 minus 11x equals, distribute, negative 15x plus 12. Okay. Now from here, I typically move the letters first. You'll always see me move the letters first. I always move the smaller one to the bigger one. I generated that idea when I was 18 years old, and I always mess up the negative signs. Okay? Also, where someone once told me, you ever been bit by an elephant? $13 plus 4x equals 12. If you always move the smaller to the bigger, you always end up with a positive number. Okay. Subtract 13, subtract 13. 4x equals negative 1. Divide by 4, divide by 4. And x is equal to negative 1/4. Okay. Fair enough on that? Okay. All right. So, number 2. The fractions. Now, in order to handle fractions, we're going to multiply through by the common denominator. In this case, the common denominator is 15. So we're going to multiply by 15. And 12 is the new 15. 15 here, and 15 here. And doing so, we have to always remember, we're going to divide first. 5 goes into 15 3 times. We're going to divide first. We're going to multiply second. So 3 times 2x is 6x. Divide first. 1 times 5 is 5. Divide first. 7 times 1 is 7x. Now, I think somebody said, wait, does somebody have a question? What's the question?
Why are you here? You did it with the 6 and then
All right, there's a question about a problem that we worked previously. Give me 1 second. Enjoy these commercial breaks. All right, so we're going to subtract 6x. Subtract 6x. And we get 5 equal to x. And that's the answer to the second one. Okay. Any questions on that? All right. All right. Okay. I proclaim that this is the hardest of them all, and it's because of what happens at the very end.
Yeah.
This goes a little bit haywire at the end. You're distributing. You're feeling good about yourself. You're like, yes, I'm a mathematical rock star. Yeah, not so much. Okay. And life is good here. 12x plus 8 equals, we'll go ahead and distribute, 6x plus 15 minus 7. And you're still feeling really good about yourself. Plus 18 minus 10. Hold on. Combine like terms. Okay. This is when things start to take a real turn for the worse. Right here. Okay. Now, here's what I know. Oh crap. Somebody just took yourself off the list. Here's what I know. If you are one of those people who move the constants first and you subtract 8 from both sides, you have all of a sudden found yourself in a really, really bad spot. It is late at night, you are in a dark alley, and you turn around and your friends are gone. Because you got 12x equals 6x, and you know you are damn screwed right there. You have no idea what you're supposed to do other than, cry. Do not subtract the 8 first. It's never a good idea. Always deal with the letters first. Not that it makes a difference, but it's easier to deal with the letters first. Subtract 6x. Subtract 6x. 6x plus 8 equals 8. Now subtract 8, subtract 8. 6x equals 0. And now what are you supposed to do? Divide by 6, divide by 6. Now, this is where we run into this issue. As half the class thinks 0, the other half the class is going no solution. I feel like we're in a Bud Light commercial. Less filling. No. More taste. This is okay. If the 0 is on top, that's okay. You can do that. The problem you get is when 0 is in the bottom. That's no, you cannot do that. The answer is 0. Alright. From this day forward, it will be called a David. He has been the official bonus